guys? As promised, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick impromptu unboxing of the Neewer SJ4000 and all the stuff that I ordered with it. I apologize for my raspy voice. Uh, Came down with something and just need to take a couple shots of tequila or something to take it away. Alright, so stay tuned. Here's my package. Like I said, I ordered it on Wednesday. 2 days later, it shows up. So here we have it. So there it is. Comes in a nice little fancy box. Got the little case back here. 1080p. Comparable to GoPros from what I've seen on several YouTube comparisons. It's not as good as a GoPro, but hey, for a little bit more than 50 bucks, why complain? For the price of one GoPro, I can get like 4 or 5 of these little puppies right here, and you know, deck the boat out with a bunch of them, or shoot multiple angles. So, all right. Alright, so we'll go over this first, right here. Nice little case. When I had a GoPro, I didn't purchase it brand new, purchased it used on Craigslist, but I don't believe that brand new GoPros come with a case like this. I mean, you think for the price that you pay for it, it'd come with a case. So, nice little case. So I don't see the little accessories in here. I'm assuming they're in the box there. But it's a nice little case. You can stick stuff in this little pocket here. Pretty good. Alright. There we have it. Once again, I apologize for the impromptu video. I wanted to do it at home later in a better setting, but I also want to play with this sucker as quick as I can, see, compare it to a GoPro. I used to have one and just needed something else. There it is. Neewer sports cam, waterproof to 30 meters, 1080p, H.264, full high definition. Box here. Got the little specifications in the back. Video 1080 pixels, 30 frames per second. Super wide angle lens, 170 degree, waterproof up to 30 meters. It's got a little 1.5 inch LCD in the back so you can review your videos. It doesn't come with a micro SD card, but you can purchase them for fairly cheap on Amazon or eBay. They have some 32 gigabyte cards, which I'll show you later, for around $10 a piece. There's a camera in the front. You got the mode button, which you hold down that button for a few seconds and it turns on just like the GoPro. You got an up and down button for your navigation through the menus. And there you have a screen, viewfinder. something that you gotta purchase extra for a GoPro. This one comes with it built in, and you have your micro SD slot, USB charging port, and a mini USB. You probably use that one for like an external microphone. Hook it up to that mini SD. Mini SD. And you got that mini USB port for that purpose. And the battery goes in the little slot right there. Camera comes with one battery, no SD card, but there's your shutter button up at the top. But hey, for just over 50 bucks, not a bad deal. Not a bad deal at all. Alright, so here we have all the stuff. First thing I'll take out is a little SJ4000. Little protective sheet. Nice little waterproof casing, just like the GoPro has. Everything is similar to GoPro, and you can use the GoPro stuff on this and vice versa. Pretty small, same as a GoPro. Then we have a little LCD screen in the back so you can see what you're doing there. A little button on the top, this shutter button. I was watching other videos and it said that these buttons were hard to push. They don't seem very hard to push to me. Maybe it was just a unit that the guy had on, he was using on his video. So that's a little camera there. Already has one of the little knuckles on there with the thumb screw. And it comes with a bunch of accessories here. I'm just gonna go ahead and open these up. This is a wall charger, little USB port there on the end. Another knuckle angled bracket. These are just a bunch of Velcro straps. I guess strap it to your wrist or something like that. And we got two adhesive mounts. Another little angled knuckle, so you can probably attach it to the main body there. Yeah, probably make another video show what you can do with this later on. This, like I said, it's just an impromptu video. I'll do a proper unboxing later, or a review or some sort. And there's a charger, the USB charger. Looks like it's a micro USB, similar to the cell phone charger for Android. And then you got another little knuckle. Here's a little knuckle that you can attach to a tripod. Another angle bracket, or a knuckle. I like to call them knuckles. I don't know what they're really called. I just call them knuckles. Knuckle or angle bracket with another thumb screw. A lot of accessories in here. There goes another one. Ready, some zip ties and a steel cable. We'll figure out what that's for later. Some more adhesive here. Double coated tissue tap. And you got a bicycle mount, handlebar mount. There's a little belt clip mount. I don't have my my chest mount or my head mount, and I'm going to be doing some fishing this Monday. I won't have that, so I have to figure out some way to attach this bad boy and make it work for now. This is a nifty little thing here, and from what I've seen, you can use all these with the GoPro, and this one's a little bit better, in my opinion, than the bracket that you use for the GoPro, one that comes for the actual GoPro, because you know you can easily snap it in there from what I've seen, and it's very easy to stick the USB charger on the side. This will come in handy when I get my boat running, and I'll probably use this one somewhere that I know it's not going to get splashed by too much water, or scratch that, it's not going to get splashed by water, so somewhere in the middle, and we'll just use it like that without the waterproof case. Then I'll buy another one just for areas where water is going to get to. And then looks like we got another waterproof backing and a little microfiber towel to wipe it down, and just a instruction booklet here shows you how to use it. So that's about it. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to leave some comments, and I'll try and answer them as best as you can. Once again, this is a GoPro knockoff. It's called an SJ4000. So as you can see there, I don't know if you can read that. This is what I bought with it. We got the camera for $61.99. I got 2 micro SD cards, class 10, for $12.76 a piece. Came out to just under $100. I also spent another $10 on a chest mount, head strap mount, whatever you want to call it. So that should be coming in the beginning of next week. Alright, well, that's about it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.